Tyler Hill, the younger brother of NASCAR driver Timmy Hill, hasn't raced at Charlotte since he was 13 years old in a tiny Legends car on the small infield track. But on Memorial Day weekend, under the Friday night lights, Tyler Hill will make his super speedway debut in the number 56 LeithCars.com Toyota Tundra. Think he's got the pre-race jitters? Well, you're about to find out next.
In the zone, ready.
Memorial Day weekend, honor and remember. I'm excited. I'm ready to get this thing started for sure. Do our best tonight. So we're going to get a driver intros done here, and then we're going to wrap it up, load it in, we'll have to do it tonight.
Driving number 56 LeithCars.com Toyota from Fort Tobacco, Maryland, Tyler Hill.
We got here early, and we're out here all day. We didn't start off we didn't practice the best, and we made our truck better and better all day. And I think we had the truck probably the best it's been all day.
All right, there you roll. All right, then. Learn all you can today. We'll keep making the truck better. Start having fun. In the zone, ready. Pretty great. Checking up a little, checking up. All right, coming down too, right this time. There you go, you're pushing hard here, you better get 33. I'd stick with whatever you got right there. Well, that boss is got you so faster than the four guys in front of you. Go get them. One to go, come on. All right, nice work.
So this guy right here, Tyler Hill, you moved up 5 spots by the end of the race. Where'd you end up finishing?
24th there, lead lap, so a solid finish today.
First time at Charlotte Motor Speedway. I mean, how does that make you feel?
It feels great. This is a racetrack that I grew up racing at when I was a kid, so the fact that I'm here on the full speedway is pretty cool for me to realize. So I'm pretty happy with the way it ended.
Now, did you move up some positions also during some of those pit stops under caution?
Yeah, my pit stops got me a couple spots. There were a few restarts that didn't go our way, and we'd lose a couple spots here and there. And
there were some spin outs, some other trucks. Were you anywhere near any of those?
Anytime you're behind a wreck, you feel like you're near a wreck. So there was a couple of times where the track seemed a little narrow, and it felt like if something went the wrong way, that you'd probably end up in it. So
you come up on it fast. Huh?
Yeah, yep. So we were able to drive around it, thankfully, and get checked up and not get run over and not hit anything. So that's a successful day as far as avoiding crashes.
And you think Timmy's going to be happy? You brought it home in one piece, right?
Oh, he's gonna be thrilled with the way that we ended it, and to get a late race pass there, coming to the checkered. That's always fun, no matter where it's for.
Awesome. Tyler Hill, thank you for representing Leith Toyota and LeithCars.com at Charlotte Motor Speedway. I'm Mark Arson for 0 to 60 TV. Follow us on social, YouTube, Facebook at Leith Cars. Thank you from Charlotte Motor Speedway for following this guy in Hill Motorsports, Tyler Hill.
It's clean, looks good, 24th place finish. First time ever at Charlotte. I think you did an incredible job. I think that's going to be a wrap for the LeithCars.com 56 truck. All right. Waffle House.
Taking this show to Waffle House.